Hello, good morning.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. What's your name?
My name is Mildred Daang, and I
Okay.
live in Tinsuway now.
Oh, your current employer at Tin Shui Wai.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many years you work in Hong Kong?
I worked before since 2016 to 2018, finished contract. And then after that, I go back to the Philippines together with my children. And then now I
see.
decided to work again because my children is grow up. I need to support them.
Okay. So, for your current job, you take care of children?
Yes, ma'am. I taking care of the children, two children, 3 years old and then almost 2 years old.
Oh, okay. So, you do need to bring them to school every day?
Yes, ma'am. I send them to their school. After that, I go back home to prepare the lunch and then do the housework, cleaning, washing clothes. After do the housework, I picking up the kids in their school and then go back home to prepare our dinner.
Okay, I see. So, you can cook Chinese food?
I cook, but very simple because Popo Popo cook the Chinese food.
They all eat simple dishes.
Simple dishes only, ma'am. Just stir fry the food, and then they do like
Steamed fish?
steamed
You
fish.
know- you can?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And the soup?
Soup, very simple.
Very
And
simple.
Popo Popo make it the hard food for
Okay.
the Chinese food.
Okay.
But I need to learn more, ma'am.
Oh, you can.
Yeah, I need to learn more.
Okay. How old is the Popo?
Popo, 50 plus something.
Oh,
She's
this-
young.
It's not old.
Not
Still
really
young Popo.
She's yeah.
And they have two children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
My employer is very young, maybe only 30 years old, like that.
Oh, I understand. Okay, so thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Yes, bye.